I just got the new Yongnuo YN360. This is a wand of sorts. I put it onto a mains today because I haven't had time to charge up batteries and get a battery pack going, etc. I ordered this from China, so I got it in yesterday, and I haven't really had time to actually give it a go. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through it now and tell you all about it. Right, there's your power button, and this is a little dial, so it's a click in and a little dial over here which you can do some adjustments with. Got 4 buttons on here. One is your RGB button, one is your button which tells you what your battery power is at. Obviously it's going to tell you it's DC at the moment because direct current. And then you've got your fine and coarse settings, so when you press fine it changes the numbering levels in 1 increments, and then the other one is in 10 increments. And that basically just toggles through everything. And then over here you've got your different white lights. So if you press that, it just takes over and it does 2 types of white light. One which would be your 3200K and then your 5500K. So at the moment I've got it on a combo of the 2. Okay, let's bring up the 3399. So that's your 3300 by itself, and that's the light that you can paint with, whatever you feel like doing with. This light is quite bright, it actually really works. And then if you go to 3300, 3200 and you dial it down, you can switch it off. If you go to 5500, you dial it up and you've got a cooler light. So there you go, that's a much cooler light. If you press your RGB button, which is also a toggle switch between red, green and blue, the white light goes off and then your green light goes on. You can toggle that down as well. You can dial that down. It's on green now, so you can see it's fading. I'm taking it down all the way to off. Just by turning this, you can see I'll turn it. There you go. 99, 79, 69 just turns down. If I press there, it'll be blue, so I can bring the blue light up. And if I bring it down to 0 again, it takes it off. And if I do that, it brings the red up. So if I go like up to 40 or 50, you can play around with different sort of combos. So then I can bring in red, green and blue. So I'm going to go for a blue setting in between on this, and then you get like a really cool purple light. And so you can have great effects with this and quite easily adjust how you want the light to look color-wise. And then if you just change to green again, you can bring in some green light, which will change that again. So this is quite a cool light for lighting up scenes. You can light up buildings with it. For long exposures, it really works well. Haven't tried with the battery yet, but I think it'll work quite well. The other good thing is it's got Bluetooth, so go download the app and you can control the light and the colors purely through the app, which is a super feature. And it connects just like that, no problem. So that's the YN360. It's not that big, as you can see. Really short, 4-arm length. And there you go, nice and easy to handle. So I'd give this thing a shot. It wasn't too expensive. I think it was under 1,000 Rand if I bought it via China. If you buy it here in South Africa, you're paying about 2.5 from a dealer. Hope you enjoyed the review.